Alright guys, how about we do a little night flight? We're going to do a night flight to Castleton Tower, and we're going to try a few new things that I haven't learned how to use yet. One of them is the cruise control. Another is night video. I'm using my Firehouse strobe. It's a 1000 lumen, very powerful, very tiny little strobe to be legal flying at night. And I've learned how to record the screen capture so you can see all the controls in action. This shows that we're at the maximum height, 1600 feet, because we're at the maximum tower elevation there. This is Adobe Mesa. I was going to try a quick pan from Adobe Mesa to the La Salle Mountains. And then I'm going to do a zoom out from Priest and Nuns, showing the tower and putting on some awesome music with it. So let's listen to that. Then after this shot, I wanted to see if I could film some of the lights at Red Cliffs Lodge. So I'm flying towards Perriott, the left of Perriott there, and the wind started to kick up too much, and it automatically tells you that you need to return to home. So that's what it started doing automatically. Since I was way up high, right there we're at 1351 feet, I decided to lower the drone and then put it back on the automated return. So I took it off the automation and flew it down to about 450 feet, and then I put it back on return to home so it can land safely. Now at nighttime, you can see in the upper right corner that red blinking. That's your sensors. They basically don't work at night, and also the camera doesn't work very well at night. So those two things are taken off the board when you're trying to land. So it's basically all GPS now. It's flying via GPS coordinates, and we're still about a mile away. I usually take off and land from a landing pad. I have a little disc that I can pop up and put down on the ground. So when it starts to get close to landing, you'll see that orange disc. The GPS had it about 5 feet away from the disc, which is still pretty close. And I tried to correct it and overshot a little bit, and then the prop wash blew the disc to the side anyway, so we had to land in the dirt. But I try not to do that. I usually land on a vehicle or on my landing pad, so it's not kicking up dust and getting that into the motors. So here we are arriving pretty close to the landing spot. You can see clouds up kind of in the upper right there with the silhouette of Porcupine Rim, and someone's got their light on. Probably my neighbor. Alright, now we're starting to descend. Since we're at the exact spot, it's going to start descending from 300 feet, 200, 100. You can see the orange disc now. It's kind of to the top right. is where it wants to land, so I'm bringing it back towards the disc, and once I get it over there it blows it away. Alright, that was pretty fun. We'll see you on the next one.